spinach cream soup recipe. A healthy recipe that is creamy, quick, easy and delicious. Add the salad and you have fanatic dinner. Ingredients: 5 tablespoons butter, ½ cup chopped onion, 4 cups of fresh spinach chopped, 1/4 cup water, 5 tablespoons flour, 2 tablespoons chicken bouillon base, 10 cups milk, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: in a large saucepan, sauté onions in butter. Add spinach and water and cook spinach until spinach is wilted and soft. Add flour and cook for about 1 minute. Slowly add milk and stir until smooth. Add chicken base and continue stirring constantly until soup comes to a boil. With a hand blender, puree soup until spinach is well blended. If you would like your soup a little thicker, in a separate small bowl mix together 3 tablespoons of cornstarch to 4 tablespoons of cold water. Slowly add cornstarch mixture as needed to boiling soup, stirring constantly until soup is thickened to desired consistency.